Hello everyone, today we are going to do the PVA pathway test. Now we need instruments like here is a EASTHONY PVA example, 100 grams, 15 mesh. Electronic scope, the bowl, color paper, sifter. It has the cover, the 15 mesh sifter, 100 mesh sifter. To brush, let's start. We measure 100 grams. Yes, 100 grams. We put the sample into the sifter. Slowly. Put on the cover. Swing the sample side by side for 10 seconds. Okay, here we go. You can see most of them has the 15 mesh. It's 1.5 grams. So 100 view, that we can see most of them. You can read the number is 97.8 grams. And the bottom bowl is a fine powder. You can read it is 0.3 grams. So this is 100 grams PVA sample. The particles distribution like this. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.